So this is a shooting to show how to assemble the new system for the trundle, the foldable trundle. So front rail and back rail, they have 3 hinges each. For the side rails, I have 3 front screws. Go to the back. Then I'll go to the next side. This way, in less than 2 minutes, you have the whole trundle assembled. As you can see, slats, they come fully assembled, all screwed already. They're on rails. So all you have to do to assemble this unit is to screw side rails, to put the front of the drawers, and screw the casters that goes underneath. Obviously that here we didn't film the way to assemble the casters because it's an easy thing. The difficult thing was to assemble front rails and side rails together with the slats. And this is only to show that now we found a way to do it efficiently, and a quick way to assemble the whole trundle. 2 screws there. And that's pretty much it. And there we go, less than 6 minutes we have the full unit assembled. See? 3 screws on the back on one side, more 3 screws on the other side. And now you can see the screws up front because we have the front drawers attached already. That's the deal. Sturdy, reliable. That's it.